It really tastes like gourmet barbecue.
Yeah.
It's the best ever. So just a little bit for Jeremy there.
Yeah. Oh, I can't. I just cannot wait.
Yeah, it's mouth watering. You won't believe it. You don't want to have like barbecue tuna fish in the with the tuna with the like the tater tot casserole.
Okay. So you keep them separate.
Keep them
for
separate.
Sure. Okay.
But this will be kind of a side dish for you.
Yeah. Good.
I'm sure your taste buds right now are just popping out.
Salivate.
This is going to break you in as being a son-in-law, and
yeah, there you go.
This will give you some things that you can pass on for the next generation.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some serious updates and verified details that change how this entire situation looks. Official documents from a district court confirm that arrest warrants were issued for Joseph and Kendra, including multiple charges connected to child endangerment and false imprisonment. According to the records, there are 8 total counts, and the case is being treated seriously enough that both legal and custody processes are now happening at the same time. Kendra has already been released under strict conditions, and one of the biggest shocks is a no-contact order that prevents her from reaching out to the victims in any way, including phone calls, messages, or even indirect communication through other people. This order doesn't have a clear end date, which means it could stay in place indefinitely depending on how the judge rules as the case moves forward. Violating it could lead to new criminal charges like harassment, stalking, or even contempt of court, so the consequences are extremely serious. Her next court appearance is scheduled, and that will be a key moment where the legal process really starts to unfold. At the same time, there's a separate child welfare case happening, which focuses on custody and the safety of the children. That process runs alongside the criminal case, but the outcome of the criminal charges will heavily influence whether reunification is even possible. If there's any jail time beyond a year, it could permanently affect parental rights. Right now, the situation suggests that the children are unlikely to return anytime soon, and possibly not at all, depending on what the court decides. Another important development is a public statement from a family member, Jason, along with his wife. Their message strongly condemns what happened, calling it harmful and unacceptable, and emphasizes standing with the victims. While the words are powerful, many people are questioning whether actions will follow, because in situations like this, real change only happens when behavior and environment also change. Simply speaking out isn't enough if nothing else shifts. This whole situation highlights a bigger issue about responsibility, accountability, and the importance of protecting vulnerable people above all else. It also shows how serious the legal system becomes when children are involved, especially when there's a pattern or history that raises concern. As this case continues, everything now depends on court decisions, evidence, and whether those involved take real steps to change. Let me know what you think about all of this and where you see this going next.